Samsung officially out with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the official teaser, and when they are going to launch the next foldable devices. Also, there is a great news coming up regarding the pre-orders and hinted towards the big offers. Also, I'll explain the first hands-on look, and is it a better idea to go with the Z Fold 6? So stick till the end to find more, and for more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Finally, after so many leaks and rumors, Samsung started the reservations for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. You can head over to Samsung's official website and reserve your Galaxy device and can save up to $50 when later on you will pre-order your device. There is no commitment involved, you just need a name and an email. So you can use this credit later to get a case for your next Galaxy device. Should you reserve now? I think if you're looking to get the Z Fold 6, this is a great option, but later in this video, I will explain what we are going to see on the Z Fold 6 so you can get a better idea, is it a good choice? Now this is the official teaser of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, showing off a couple of things. Obviously at the end it shows the date of the release date, July 10th, but showing off Eiffel Tower, meaning the next Unpack event will going to happen in Paris before the Olympics. They will going to live stream at 3 p.m. local time, 9 a.m. Eastern time, and 6 a.m. Pacific time. And YouTube is the best place to watch the official event, where we can see multiple devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, Galaxy Watch 7 series including the special edition Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Buds, and Galaxy Ring. Now let's see some of the great pre-order deals we can get from Samsung. First, it is more or less confirmed. We can get free storage upgrade, where if you pre-order 256 gigs of storage, you will going to get a 512 gigs of storage for free. But the interesting thing is, while reserving your phone, you can see Samsung claims save up to $1,500+ when you pre-order a new Galaxy device. This is more like a marketing strategy, where if you pre-order multiple devices from this Unpack event, you can totally save over $1,500, and I also think this includes the new trade-in deals on your previous Galaxy devices, or I should say the big chunk of $1,500. These are some of the pre-order deals, but do you guys know about the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Yes, they changed it. From the past couple of my videos about the Z Fold 6, I was talking about the price of a Z Fold 6, and by this time, we were not sure about the price, but internal source already confirmed months ago that we are going to see a price hike. Now, recent rumor claims big about the price of a Z Fold 6. Let me share the concept behind the price increase on Z Fold 6. So basically, Samsung is going to increase the price on both Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, just like Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you know, you know, Samsung increased $100 on S24 Ultra compared to S23 Ultra. They are doing the same thing with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. So the new price will be $1,899 for 256 gigs of storage. And each storage option has a $100 price increase, where the 512 gigs and 1TB versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is reportedly having $2,019 and $2,259 respectively. Same concept on the Z Flip 6, we are going to see a price at $1,099 instead of $999 on Z Flip 5. But if you're willing to buy a Z Fold 6, I would suggest you to buy in pre-order deals. You probably get free storage upgrade and great trade-in deals. With the price and pre-orders out of the way, the real thing is, are you willing to update? And you can decide after looking at the first ever hands-on video of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is losing a foldable game, and we all know the biggest reason why people want a Chinese foldable over a Korean giant is the wider cover display. And this is the first ever hands-on video from a Korean YouTuber showing off a Z Fold 6 against the Z Fold 5. Although Z Fold 6 looks modern and up to date compared to the older design on the Z Fold 5, which Samsung was using since the Z Fold 2, but still people are not happy about the hands-on look of the Z Fold 6. Now these are some of the reasons. First, Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not wider compared to the Z Fold 5. The way Samsung achieved a slightly wider display is to reduce the hinge and make a phone boxier. Still, it is far from what we get on the OnePlus Open. The good thing which Samsung did is even all the size of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which ends up giving us the symmetrical bezels on Z Fold 6 for the first time in Samsung Foldable. The reason I said it is slightly wider compared to the Z Fold 5 is because he put a screen protector of a Z Fold 6 on Fold 5. which shows us we cannot use it on Z Fold 5 as it is wider compared to the Z Fold 5. Is it wider enough? Obviously no. The thickness is also reduced on Z Fold 6. He measured around 12.5mm and lead thickness was 12.1mm, which means they reduced it compared to 13.4mm on Fold 5. This also helps Samsung to reduce the weight on the Fold 6. We got around 239 grams, which is 14 grams lighter than the Fold 5. This would be a huge difference if you are coming from any older foldable phone like a Z Fold 2, 3 or even 4. Now these things are good, but people don't want such updates. Although Samsung gave us more premium feeling to make a flat sides on the Z Fold 6, this looks good compared to the Fold 5, but do people really wanted it? Obviously no, they just want a wider cover display, and some people are also discussing we are going to see a titanium frame. Honestly, this looks good on the sides, but sources claims there is no titanium frame on Z Fold 6. The second big thing which people wanted from the Z Fold 6 is the new cameras. Now the first hands-on shows the lenses are slightly changed compared to the Fold 5, but what about the cameras themselves? Simple. Samsung is going with a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto sensor. Same selfie shooter and same UDC under display camera. Samsung is using same cameras from the past 3 years from Fold 4, Fold 5 and now Fold 6. Also, the younger brother, the Galaxy Z Flip 6, is getting a 50 megapixel main sensor this year. Although Samsung will improve the optimization on the camera, but no update in the sensor. And now that if you're looking for the battery upgrade, then there's another bad news. Foldables are not popular when we talk about how long will they last. With bigger displays and smaller batteries, it is difficult to compare foldables with a normal candy bar phone. And the story will be same with the Z Fold 6. Before it was expected we might see a slightly bigger battery on the Z Fold 6, 4600, but later denied by Ice Universe, and he claimed we are going to see a same 4400 mAh battery. Yes, 4400. Samsung is using this exactly same battery from the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and Fold 6 will be the 4th generation we're going to see the same battery. Now the update is coming in the software side, although I believe they are making a big mistake, only relying on software, but we need to address the update. According to the source, Samsung is going to enhance the battery backup by 20 to 30 minutes, which is obviously what I'm expecting as screen on time. Now this source didn't confirm which thing is gonna change. Now this is more like a battery AI feature on the Z Fold 6. Previously, source claimed this feature for S25 Ultra, but similar feature is coming on the Z Fold 6. Now I don't know how effective this would be, so we should take these numbers with a pinch of salt. Now that we know all about the Galaxy Z Fold 6, is it wider enough or not? Would you still consider buying the Z Fold 6? Obviously, a couple of people like taller display on Samsung foldables, but I'm addressing people who want a wider cover display. Is this a deal breaker for you? On this note, if you find value from this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.